I learned something new and I'm going to tell you all about it. Have you heard of vasopressin and how it relates in relationships? Let's get into it. Vasopressin is produced in the hypothalamus and is released by the pituitary gland. While it regulates water balance and blood pressure, vasopressin also plays a crucial role in social behavior, emotional attachment, and pair bonding. It acts on the brain's regions that are involved with reward, emotional attachment, social recognition, and it also influences behaviors such as trust, empathy, and cooperation. So, what does vasopressin have to do with relationships? Well, a lot actually. It is closely associated with long term attachment and monogamous behavior. So, both humans and animals who have this, it facilitates partner preference formation, mate guarding, and loyalty. Visual and physical stimuli, such as seeing a loved one hugging or cuddling, can trigger vasopressin release, reinforcing emotional bonds and intimacy. The higher vasopressin levels are linked to increased trust, commitment, and cooperation between partners, maintaining a role that is long term and stable. Does it also play a key role in parenting behaviors? Absolutely, 1000%. Beyond romantic attachment, vasopressin contributes to parental care behavior, including the nurturing and protection of the offspring, whether it be children or animals and their offspring. It influences interactions between parents and children. It promotes caregiving instincts in both mothers and fathers. Vasopressin also affects social recognition and territorial behaviors, particularly in males. So when they can be supportive, they can also be protective, and they can affiliate this in their social groups but also in their families. Vasopressin, since it's also a bonding hormone in men, can work alongside oxytocin. Men also produce oxytocin. While oxytocin is more associated in maternal behaviors, empathy, and sexual bonding in females, vasopressin particularly is influential in male pair bonding, guarding, and long term commitment. Together, these hormones coordinate social attachments, ensuring both the formation and the maintenance of strong emotional connection. So, for the record, vasopressin plays a key role in a lot of things that men do. It strengthens the emotional bond, long term attachment, trust, loyalty, cooperation with their partners, physical and visual interactions with their loved ones, and it can deepen the intimacy. So, someone who has a high level of oxytocin and another person who has a high level of vasopressin can make a relationship work. One is more for maternal instincts, the other is for parental instincts. But either way, they can socially make it work. So, vasopressin is one of those bonding hormones that avoidants do have or can have in a high level if they perceive it to be protective of who they're with. They may not have the oxytocin to bond the maternal way with love and affection and touching, but they may have the vasopressin, which basically means I care for you, but I care for you because I'm going to protect you because, we are bonded through that closeness. Like, the little things that they do to show that they care.